In the last video, we saw how to move a snake using WASD keys. In this video, we will add our food and also make the walls of the screen. So let's start. We will start by making a new turtle named as food. Now we will set the turtle speed as 0 and we will change its shape as square. We will also set the color of food, that is red. We will set its position on x and y axis as 100, 100. We will also use the penup function so it does not make a line when it goes to its position. Now let's test the code to see if it works. Yeah, we have got our food, but nothing happens when a snake goes over it. Now we will write some lines that will make the food jump to a random position after the snake goes over it. So let's do it. We will do this by checking the distance between head and food. If it is less than 20, we will make the food jump to a random position. We will get the random coordinates using the random function. Make sure to choose the coordinates correctly or else the food will jump beyond the screen. Now we will place our food to this random position. Let's run the code to see if it works. Yes, it is working. Now we will make the walls so that our snake can die. Now let's make some walls. There are many ways to make a wall, but I will choose this one. First we will assign wall to a turtle and then we will set its width, speed, position and make a for loop so that it will make a square around the screen. Yes, we have made our walls. Now let's see if it is working or not. Yes, as you can see, we have made our walls. Now we will write a code to check whether the snake crosses its boundaries or not. If the snake crosses its boundaries, it might die and return to the same spot as it was in the start. We will do this by checking the position of a snake continuously. So we will write this code in while true. In our if statement, we will write 4 conditions. Each condition will be of either side of the screen. The conditions will check whether the snake exceeds the boundary and then punish it accordingly. If the snake exceeds the boundaries, the code will stop for 1 second and then make it go to the same position as it was before, that is 0, 0. We will also change the direction to stop. Now let's test the code. Yes, it works. When it collides with the boundary, it returns to the original position and its speed is 0. That means the direction is stopped. In the next part, we will see to make our snake long as it eats the food. Stay tuned as the next video is gonna be very interesting.